Hi friends, first we will know about the material used to make tea oolong green tea. Tea bowl capsule, tea bowl, cha hai or hair cup, pure water, guide 1, tea pot, tea leaf spatula, tea leaf spoon, tea leaf tongs, cha bin, strainer. Now we learn how to make tea. We will take a saucepan. Take water. Add ginger. Add cinnamon. Add fennel. Add green cardamom. Add black pepper. Add clove. Add nutmeg. Add basil leaves. Stove. Burner. How to make perfect black tea. To begin with, first boil water well. When it starts to boil rigorously, add tea powder. Tea boil over. Use tea strainer. Now to a serving cup, add sugar. Subscribe the channel to get free videos. Thank you for watching.